Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another challenge. The challenge that we'll be doing today is the who is most likely to.
Yes.
So we have to change up the rules and everything. So me have thin big shoes and my slippers. So
Yeah.
if me more likely to do it, me go raise my slippers and him do the same. I'm gonna say shoes the smell.
You're the
And
first man. Sure.
inaugurate. And if he's most likely to, we're going to raise his shoes.
So Tanika Ramai. Tanika's Ramai.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Okay, let's get into the video. Who is most likely to apologize after a fight?
Yeah, Batman, me no them something.
Put up your shoes.
Who apologize?
You.
No, sir. No, sir. That time me the liquor teacher
Put
said,
up your shoes.
Ramai, you have to apologize for that, you know.
Put up your shoes.
No, me never apologize off of my own.
When me in an argument, you
Tina.
first apologize.
No, you must apologize.
Are you?
No.
Or do me apologize?
Sure, yeah, you don't apologize, man. Oh, I'm sorry. Tanika.
I'm with you.
Yeah. You.
So why you put the paper over this over?
Oh. Alright.
Who is most likely to get jealous over something silly?
See people? Alright.
Who is most likely to argue for no reason at all?
Sometimes I just chip. Who's who's most likely to spend long time in the bathroom? You sit down and play
All
game
one
and
hour in
all
a
these
bathroom
things.
for play. How you game name? Dead trigger.
Dead trigger. I mean, I go on easy. They say game room there, people. Man. There's enough of it when people sing to. And I show.
I'm here to pray for.
That's
Who is most likely to fall asleep first?
of course.
As time get dark, my eye them shut.
I foul this man. Foul. White foul. Yeah. Who's most likely to wake up first?
Him are the early one.
Up and early. You understand? Who's most likely to fart in public? Just
Me prefer him holy and make me belly hot. Me.
Hot. I hope you kill again.
Mary.
Very. That happened to me. That will never happen. Ooh.
Who is most likely to not bathe for a day?
Yo, people more tired than man. Work and everything just stressing. Tired.
Nasty.
No, me not nasty.
Yeah, work on car.
Easy man, sure. Sure, me tired man.
Oh, he's a mechanic.
Sure.
He's my mechanic.
Sure. Mechanic, me a do mechanic. When the body rock, that can be fixing.
Somebody had not broke down. Right.
Right.
Who is most likely to go to church?
We got church still.
Put on your shoes.
We got church,
they
man.
come here to force you to go to church.
Busy man.
Put up my shoes.
Father God have
Put up my
forgive
slippers.
me, yeah. Father
Thank
God,
you.
Forgive me. I'm going to have my prayer soon.
Yeah, you know how to go to church for your shows to go.
Who's most likely always want to have sex? No, sir. You have to really
Your shoes have to go up too. Your shoes have to go up
No,
too.
sir. And you touch me, and she touch your soft spot. Alright, we see your thing, what you do? Be yourself, you know. I have to pause the video. My God.
We're halfway through our questions. We don't have a lot.
Yeah, short and spicy people, you understand? Yeah. Who's most likely to go to the river?
Because him live near river, me not have no river me live. And me have a be a bush. But when me come down here, girls and boys, river not miss me.
You know, I'm not going to river today.
You did not go to river?
I mean, I'm not going to river.
You never
I'm hot, you know?
True.
Sure. Yeah. Just walking distance away, people. Yeah, next to the river. My God. Woo.
We'll be putting up a video of the hidden
Oh
gem
yes,
very
yes,
soon.
we have a video at the river. Yeah.
Don't tell them the location.
Yeah, we're not.
It's a hidden gem.
Yeah, one of the hideout spots. Yeah.
Who's most likely to get in a fight?
It's a long time in a fight. Yeah, a year ago. So since me get so big, me haven't fights. Yeah.
When last a fight?
Last time, me never fight at high school. Telling nature people.
The last time you fight a high school orientation?
Never ever fight at high school. I'm a good boy, man. Good boy. Alright, last time I fight at primary school. At primary school, most of fight like me used to have a friend, my brother from another mother. Kevin, if you watch a video, you pick up yourself.
We used to fight every day in a grade 3. Now, I explain it to him. We used to fight every day in a grade 3.
So I say, film my brother now used to make it trouble, and me fight for him.
I said,
yeah man. And so he make it trouble, or no boy like him trouble him, and him like answer them back and ready to fight, him just come call me and say, yo Biggs, now he call me BB, nickname him call me BB. Yeah.
Well, we don't know who more likely to fight, because a long time we don't fight. Who more likely to fight?
Yo, wanna lick up my hand, you know? Wanna lick up my hand, you know? Come on, lick up, chow. Alright. Who's most likely to enter a competition?
Every competition I come out, me enter. All one time Grace come out with competition. I mean now win none of them, you know? None of them. None of them, you know, win.
Faith.
All the host
Get
one.
the youth, all the faith. Alright.
Grace and the Giselle. Una listen to me and listen to me good. Una need to make country people get chance to win competition. I be a town people and mobile people who want the chance. I'm a vex about that. Me a talk to all of the country people them.
Yeah.
Alright.
Who's most likely to kiss in public? They got kiss. Too slow. You know, say. Come on, man. If you put up, put up. Me. Who's most likely to spend unnecessary money? Right now.
You love spend
unnecessary people.
You love spend unnecessary
Most of the ones, sometimes I don't need it still now. I just the ones more.
I mean, the saver.
Yeah. Bank account.
That's why I go open a bank account for me and you not get the password.
Who's most likely
Don't cut me off.
to spend hours playing game? Okay, so
brand new Clarks barefoot.
that's not Clarks.
Shut up.
That's a Tommy Hilfiger,
Shut
baby.
up.
Darling. She was white and even can show up on the screen. Oh, see it there. Yeah, Tommy Hilfiger.
Brand new Chinese slippers.
I feel me. You know me.
Made in.
Not talk. Not talk. You make before Corona come from China, I make people. Shield. So
And me just don't see a name brand. Me just don't see a name brand and real something.
Well, I find it come from still. Honestly, it come from fine, but everywhere you go, them did it. Anyways. Yeah, we have the last question now on the sheet.
Last question already?
Yeah, we have the last question. Last question, people.
Oh.
And it's the biggest.
No, yes. Around the no, wait,
Drum
wait,
roll,
wait,
drum
drum
roll.
roll.
Jump, no, sequence roll. Yeah, drum roll. Who's most
Likely
to
steal
the
out of
pots?
come put up your slippers. Your shoes.
Yeah, my. Yes. Sometimes we can't wait for it. We have to taste it pot before.
You're too impatient.
No, you don't understand.
Like, you see when you come on my yard, the first thing you do, as you
In the pot, in the kitchen,
as
in the
you come
kitchen.
in the kitchen, you go.
I mean, circle the
And
kitchen
you
and
have
see
food
what's going.
foot. You have food. You come one time, the dinner share you.
Right on time. Always.
That's when you go start cook extra.
Yeah. So we'll make it to the end of the video. Yeah. And sweat your DJ sweat. And if I blow out. Look on the wrong side still. Yeah. So hand over to you. Not here.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Again, thanks for the support. You understand? Yeah.
Head over to the
And don't
Francis
be
family.
don't be selfish.
Tell them that Tanika Chamsi sent you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. And be safe from Corona. Okay, guys? Be safe. Ah.